Maybe my heart's telling the truth. Every road I've walked alone somehow led me straight to you. The first time I saw your eyes, time froze, the world slipped away. Every fear I held inside faded the moment you stayed. I tried to hide what I was feeling, but love has a way of breaking through. And now I know without you, there's nothing I could do. I walked 1,000 nights searching for someone like you. Never believed in forever until I saw it was true. Every missing piece inside finally fits when you're near. Every whispered prayer I've said led me to you, my dear. Maybe it's fate, maybe it's magic, maybe the stars already knew. Something inside me kept saying my heart belongs with you. With you I found my home. With you I'm never alone. Through every storm, through every night, I'll hold you close, I'll hold you tight. Forever stars with this truth. Every dream leads me to you. There's nothing I could ask for more than to spend my life with you. Every time you touch my hand, the world feels lighter somehow. I'd give anything to stay by your side right here, right now. Tomorrow never finds us, I'll still reach for your love. Even when the stars fall down, I'll keep your heart safe and sound. Forever lives inside me and you, side by side. With you